अब ये नेक्स्ट पीस जो है वो आई एम not sure, a lot of you may be able to resonate with it and a lot of you won't, but since we're here to acknowledge and appreciate and empower women, here it is. So they say with time we now are equals, so what are you fighting for? But they pick and prefer anyone but women in spite of the same sweat and blood that we strive for. So I say that actions speak way louder than pretty little words, for reality rewards us a lesser paycheck for that exactly same work. They say women are meant to nurture, to submit or don't, but live under the shelter. Your duty is to cook, clean and feed the home. You may work, of course, but balance it out all alone. And if you can't balance, you may want to wait, think and choose. Work or family is what defines your virtue. Because a good woman is always devoted to her family first. I say, I'd rather have a helping hand because the family is not just only mine. So maybe we could swap or even share the roles to do the job and to complete the chores. If only we could reach the dark roots of reality, we'll see how many a times it's the women who run alone, who take care and who clear the bills, the ones turning mere concrete of a house into a beautiful, beautiful home. They say a woman owes her existence to the man she ties a knot to. For a marriage completes and fulfills a woman, and any other choice otherwise is just another sham. I say some of us being single or celibate are just as happy as those wives. For virtue comes from choice, and we may choose to lead a different life. They say a woman should be modest, not too prude but not too bold. For showing skin is an invitation, and too much of independence might make her immoral. For good women are not sluts, and women with their opinions and choices are nothing but mindless rebels, so they need to be protected by bricks and walls, but they forget that a golden cage is still a cage. So I say that the cloth on me is my expression, independent of your impression. So yes, I would rather embrace the title of being a slut if that is what mocks the chastity of your beloved sons. They say a woman should be strong, but not so strong so as to be seen, and however a woman chooses to be, is just another opportunity of judging the fibers of a being. They say a woman is an antagonist of another story. I say we women save each other's tiaras before they fall. We'd sit and listen and laugh and cry together, even if we met 5 minutes ago in a random hall. They say women should be soft, tender and feminine. I say I'm loud and I roar. Some days I'm soft, dreamy and delicate. Other days I'm reckless and driven like a firebolt. More lightning and less rainbows do not make me far from a woman. For I'm no girl boss, just boss does the same. For I am part sunshine and part rain, and these values and morals that you boast of a lot of times are nothing but the pretense of your callousness in vain. They say good women from good families are modest and quiet like winters. I say we women, we pick our own seasons. We bloom like spring and we are scattered like fall, for nobody gets to choose to color using our crayons. All we want is for you to let us be. That's what we call freedom. That's what we call liberty. And just in case we don't suit your taste, your validation is the last thing we need. Thank you.